Hi everyone, welcome to IXL call. In this series, we've been looking at the recruitment module. Under the recruitment module, today we're looking at how IXL call can help us schedule our interview or schedule interviews internally for the candidates that have applied for a job. When we are on the recruitment module, we'll see an interview schedule. Interview schedule allows us to set up the date for the candidate interview, when the candidate will be interviewed, who will interview the candidate, and what time we'll be able to schedule for that particular candidate. So we've done recruitment, we've done a campaign, we've run a campaign, and the campaign was to recruit a sales manager. An interview schedule name, we can say it's sales manager recruitment, and the position we do was sales manager. We can schedule the interview for, say, 30th from 9, and you can say this interview will go through to, say, 2. The location, we can say we have head office boardroom. And the interviewer, we can choose the interviewers who will be assigned this job to be part of the panel. And then from here, we're able to say we need to put in the candidates who have applied. If you can see, the candidates came through the website application. We have their details. We have one will come from, say, 9, and will go all the way until 10. So for 1 hour. Sorry, let me put that until 10. Then to add another candidate, you can schedule another candidate and say the next one who applied was Mark Mion, and we have this schedule, say, for a break, would have a break at 10 for 1 hour, and then we go also until 12 noon. Once you save that, you've created a schedule, and the interview schedule will be shared with the interviewees. An email will be successfully sent out. We can click on this and send notification for the interview, both to the interviewers and the interviewees. Remember, the system allows us to edit. We can delete this, we can view this schedule, or we can have a next new interview schedule. We can view, of course, this in a calendar format and see we set up our interviews for the 30th of this month. We can see the setup, and we'll be able to see, as long as we had the interviews, so when you're creating the form, we had their emails and their phone numbers, we'll be able to see that in the system. Briefly, we can see, once we are in the status, we can have the interview comments, whatever comments you want to update during the interview sessions. They will be able to be done from here by the interviewees whenever they're doing the interview. And that, briefly, in a nutshell, is how we create the recruitment interview, or rather how we schedule a recruitment schedule, how we schedule recruitment under IXL call. If we look at the dashboard on our recruitment module has a dashboard. We can see in a nutshell the campaign that is running, the campaigns in progress. If there are any planned campaigns or completed campaigns, will be here. We have recruitment which is ongoing for the sales. It was approved and it's ongoing. We can have candidates who recruit at 2. The campaign so far, we have 2 candidates who have applied, and we have the sales manager. The schedule has been done, recruitment schedule, recruitment campaign, time, and interview date has been set. So that dashboard gives us a brief preview of the recruitment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.